Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Shani from Tech Basics. Today in this video we will learn about how to log into Libra Lawyer. First step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now after opening your browser, click on the URL and type in Libra Lawyer. Now scroll down until you find the link which says Vakil Search. Click on it. Now on the navigation bar you can see the login option on the top right corner. Now you can log in with your phone number in which it will send an OTP, or you can also log in with your email. Here you will need your email ID and a password. If you don't have an account, you can click on create account and create a new account. Now type in your email. Now type in your password. Now click on login, and following the simple step you are now able to log into the libralawyer.com. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any confusions. Thank you.